As you know, PowerPoint uses templates that are built with placeholders. This is the case with our template as well. Let's have a closer look at how the different placeholders work. I will start with showing the difference between a picture placeholder and a content placeholder. For that, I'm going to select a suitable layout. I'm going to select picture 2. Here we have a picture placeholder and a content placeholder. Let's see the difference between those two. I'm going to select a picture and we'll see what happens. I'll insert this picture in the picture placeholder. I'm going to go ahead and select the same picture and insert it to the content placeholder. Notice the difference in how the different placeholders behave. The picture placeholder has a fixed size and displays the picture according to its width and height, while the content placeholder adapts to the picture's width and height. To demonstrate it further, let's click on the picture placeholder and select the contextual tab for that picture and the crop function. Here you can see how the picture placeholder has positioned the picture. It's important to remember that we can move around the picture in the picture placeholder. We can scale it. If you scale it, make sure to hold down the Shift key when you scale it. And move around. Click outside to deselect it. If you by chance happen to move around the placeholders, remember that under the Home tab you can reset the slide layout back to its original state. Let's look at text placeholders. I want to create a new slide and select a suitable layout. Let's go ahead and pick this comparison. What I really want to demonstrate here is that the text placeholders in our template have the shrink text on overflow setting enabled. This means that the font size will shrink when the amount of text doesn't fit the text placeholder anymore. I'm going to put in some random text here, see what happens. If you create your own layouts and uses text boxes, you will need to enable the shrink text on overflow setting manually. Something that you do by right-clicking and choosing Format Shape and Text Options, Text Setting here, and make sure that the shrink text on overflow setting is enabled here. This is important to remember because the length of a text can vary quite drastically depending on the language when we translate it.